Some tools can make everyday tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. From home improvements to DIY projects, these genius tools are designed to save time and effort. Here we have some of the most useful gadgets on Amazon that are worth checking out. All the mentioned tool links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Number 30. Reekon M1. Say goodbye to manual measuring and pencil marks with this miter saw assistant, which increases efficiency up to 3 times over traditional methods. Compatible with most miter, cut-off, and vertical band saws, it enables precise, straight, angled, and complex cuts. The large backlit LCD displays measurements in both metric and imperial units. Simply attach it to the saw fence, release the lever, enter the blade thickness, and start cutting. Ideal for wood, composites, and pipes. This tool enhances accuracy, saves time, and simplifies even the most intricate projects. Number 29. Electric Tester. This electrical tester comes in 2 parts, a transmitter and a receiver. To use it, plug the transmitter into an outlet or light fixture and scan the electrical panel with the receiver. It quickly and accurately identifies the correct circuit breaker, providing both visual and audible signals. Designed for 90 to 120 volt AC networks, the transmitter also includes an RCD tester, allowing you to check wiring conditions and RCD functionality. The transmitter neatly fits into the receiver for compact storage, keeping everything organized. Plus, its triple plug ensures compatibility with most grounded outlets. Number 28. Bosch Wallscanner. This wall and floor scanner uses radar technology to not only detect objects, but also identify their material, whether wires, rebar, metal, or plastic pipes, or wooden studs. With a scanning depth of 8 inches, it provides detailed insights into hidden structures. It features 4 display modes, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. The intuitive interface ensures ease of use, while the leak detection function helps pinpoint pipe leaks without unnecessary wall damage. Additionally, it can capture and store scan results, which can be transferred via USB-C or SD card for further analysis. Compatible with Bosch 12-volt batteries, it includes a 2.0 amp-hour battery, charger, USB cable, and a soft case for storage and transport. Number 27. Metal Shear. This metal cutting attachment can handle materials up to 18 gauge, including sheet metal, corrugated metal, ductwork, roofing shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding, wire, plastic, cardboard, and rubber. One of its most convenient features is the 360-degree rotating head, allowing for precise cuts in any direction, even in tight or awkward spaces. It is compatible with most 18 to 20 volt drills and impact screwdrivers, regardless of the brand, thanks to its standard 1/4 inch hex shank. With this attachment, you can replace multiple tools like metal shears, a vinyl cutting knife, and a roofing cutter. Number 26. Contour Gauge. This versatile contour tool is a great helper for working with angles and shapes. Its main advantages are ease of use and precision, making it ideal for transferring contours accurately. It's especially useful for tasks like laying laminate flooring around heating pipes. Equipped with a clamping lever, it locks the contour in place to prevent slipping during use. Made from durable plastic, it is lightweight yet long-lasting. With a maximum contour width of 130 millimeters and a depth of 30 millimeters, it can handle a variety of surfaces and shapes effortlessly. Number 25. Folding Workbench. This folding workbench offers a full-sized workspace while taking up minimal space when not in use. Its standout feature is its compact design. When folded, it's only 20 centimeters deep. Once set up, it provides a sturdy 90 by 45 centimeter surface, making it a practical addition to any workspace. Mounted on the wall, it creates a functional workstation with a perforated panel for organizing tools like screwdrivers and pliers. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with all necessary brackets and screws included. The work surface, made of laminated MDF, supports loads of up to 100 kilograms, ensuring durability and reliability. Number 24. Dolly Cart. A versatile cart designed for transporting panels, doors, boards, and even large workpieces or information stands with ease. Its simple clamping mechanism securely fastens the load, ensuring safe transportation both indoors and outdoors. The cart features 4 removable wheels that rotate 360 degrees, allowing allowing smooth movement in any direction. Additionally, 2 of the wheels come with brakes, providing stability during loading and unloading. To prevent scratches and damage, the cart is equipped with special EVA pads with an anti-slip coating, offering extra protection for transported items. This durable and practical tool is ideal for workshops, construction sites, and home projects. Number 23. Bit Holder. This flooring cutter is a perfect solution for quickly and safely cutting various types of laminate up to 11 millimeters thick and 465 millimeters wide. It also handles self-adhesive and click vinyl planks and tiles up to 6 millimeters thick, with an adjustable cutter size for flexible vinyl between 2 millimeters and 4 millimeters. One of its key features is the ability to make precise right-angle cuts with a 90-degree stop, as well as angled cuts at any angle from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, ensuring accuracy for different flooring projects. Number 22. Professional Stud Finder. This stud detector is an essential tool for anyone involved in repairs or construction. It quickly and easily locates wooden or metal studs without requiring pre-calibration. Just turn it on and start scanning. The LED display shows both the center and edges of the detected stud for precise positioning. Equipped with 9 highly sensitive sensors, it can detect studs up to 1.5 inches deep, even behind thick finishing materials. Despite its advanced functionality, it remains simple to use and operates with just 2 AA batteries. Number 21. Digital Tape. This digital tape measure offers self-calibration and exceptional accuracy within 1/32 of an inch. If the tape gets worn or damaged, it can be easily replaced. The built-in electronic paper display stores up to 500 measurements, allowing you to view, sort, and delete data as needed. A green laser pointer projects from the front, ensuring precise alignment and marking. The quick menu provides features like inside dimension measurement, relative measurements, center finding, and unit switching between inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters. It also connects wirelessly to the Rock job site app, enabling seamless sharing of cut lists, annotations, notes, and calculations. Number 20. Mini Chainsaw. This mini chainsaw combines power and speed, cutting through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. Its advanced brushless motor delivers a cutting speed of 26.2 feet per second, ensuring efficient performance. The automatic chain lubrication system eliminates the need for manual oiling, and the manufacturer has addressed previous oil leakage issues. It comes with 2 21-volt batteries, each lasting 50 to 60 minutes, allowing continuous operation by swapping them out. These batteries are also compatible with Makita tools. Safety features include a rotating shield, locking button, and an ergonomic handle, requiring both the safety button and switch to be pressed simultaneously for operation, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Number 19. Paint Sprayer. This cordless sprayer offers powerful performance without the hassle of wires or outlets, making it convenient for painting anywhere. It features adjustable paint flow for even coverage with minimal overspray. Compatible with over 75 tools in the 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt range, its battery ensures versatility. You can switch between wide and narrow spray patterns with 4 included nozzle sizes for different materials, from sealants to latex paints. The 1,000 milliliter container allows for extended use without frequent refills, while the brushless motor delivers more power, quieter operation, and a longer lifespan. Number 18. Masking Tool. This tool is a game changer for craftsmen working with paint, varnish, and other coatings. The Masking Master allows for quick and precise application of masking tape on any surface, ensuring sharp lines and flawless coverage. It significantly reduces time and effort by applying tape several times faster than traditional methods, while maintaining high-quality masking that prevents uneven coatings. Equipped with an adjustable roller, it ensures accurate and even tape application. Additionally, a built-in cutter makes it easy to trim the tape to the desired length. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it ideal for both professional and DIY projects. Number 17. Cordless Screwdriver. This 36-inch aluminum ruler features longitudinal slots, allowing you to insert and secure various attachments as needed. Whether marking measurements with a pen and level ampules or guiding a knife for precise cuts, it adapts to different tasks effortlessly. With dual built-in scales featuring 1/8 inch graduation graduations and a special zero marking. It is designed for highly accurate geometric constructions, perfect for marking tiles, leveling cabinets, and aligning shelves. This tool is indispensable for carpenters, finishers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. It works seamlessly with drywall, wood, wallpaper, and other materials, making it a versatile choice for repairs and interior projects. The attachments glide smoothly along the grooves and lock securely in place for maximum precision. Made from a durable aluminum alloy, it is both sturdy and long-lasting, ensuring reliable performance in any workspace. Number 16. Metmo Driver, a powerful and innovative tool designed to simplify screw driving tasks. With its patented autopilot technology, it eliminates the need for pre-drilling, allowing screws to be driven directly into various materials, delivering over 70 Newton meters of torque, twice that of a standard electric drill. It handles both precision work and heavy-duty applications with ease. Compatible with all standard hex bits, it offers versatility across a wide range of tasks. Its compact and ergonomic design reduces wrist strain and fits easily into a tool bag, backpack, or even a pocket, making it a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 15. Firewood Splitter. This wood splitter is the perfect tool for preparing firewood for campfires and fireplaces. Its biggest advantage is safety. There's no risk of accidental cuts or injuries from moving blades, keeping your hands protected. It's also far easier to use than a traditional axe, requiring less effort to split logs. Simply place the wood on the splitter, strike from above, and you'll have perfectly sized firewood in seconds. Designed with a 6.5-inch diameter top ring, it accommodates most log sizes, while its durable cast iron construction ensures long-lasting performance. Plus, it requires virtually no maintenance, making it a hassle-free addition to your firewood prep routine. Number 14. Camo Drive. This decking installation tool allows you to work while standing, making the process more comfortable and efficient. It supports 3 fastening methods: edge, clip, and surface, making it suitable for composite, wood, PVC, and hardwood decking. With this tool, installation is up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. It works with collated edge deck screws, DG Clip Edgex clip, and collated face deck screws for secure fastening. Designed to attach to both corded and cordless drills, it features 3 quick change mounting guides for convenience. Additional features include an adjustable mounting depth and a reversible handle, allowing for easy use with either hand. Number 13. Roller Stand. This adjustable roller stand is a must-have when handling long and heavy workpieces. If you're working solo and cutting a lengthy board, you know how frustrating it can be when the unsupported end keeps dropping, disrupting your workflow. This sturdy support eliminates that hassle with durable ball rollers that smoothly guide materials onto your work surface. It allows for safer, hands-free operation of your tool while providing reliable stability. Built to handle loads up to 140 pounds, its height is fully adjustable between 2 and 6.3 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Number 12. Viega ManaBloc. The PureFlow manifold simplifies water distribution by allowing you to control each outlet separately, reducing both water waste and energy use. Instead of shutting off the entire home's supply during repairs, you can isolate just the affected area. With 14 ports, 8 for cold water and 6 for hot, it ensures efficient flow management. By regulating each connection individually, you minimize water usage and lower heating costs. Constructed from a lead-free polymer alloy, it prioritizes both environmental safety and health. Designed for use with half-inch PEX pipes, a common choice in modern plumbing, this system is built for straightforward installation. Number 11. Dewalt Impact Driver. This brushless impact driver is designed for efficiency and ease of use. With a powerful motor delivering up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and 3,400 RPM, it easily handles large screws and demanding construction tasks. It provides 30% more work at the same torque level, making it a reliable choice for professionals. The variable trigger and 3-speed settings let you adjust power based on the job. An integrated LED light improves visibility, making it easier to work in dark areas. Number 10. Work Sharp. The universal electric knife sharpener is built for quick, efficient, and safe sharpening of knives, scissors, axes, shovels, and various tools. Its durable construction makes it suitable for both home use and professional settings. With an adjustable guide, you can achieve precise sharpening angles from 15 degrees to 30 degrees. The set includes a range of abrasive belts, from extra coarse to ultra refined, ensuring optimal results for different blade types. Its well-designed structure and locking feature allow for easy sharpening of straight, wedge-shaped, and rounded cutting edges. Number 9. Ruler system. This is a 36-inch aluminum ruler with slots along its length, allowing you to attach and secure different tools as needed. You can use it for marking with a pen and built-in level vials, or for cutting by attaching a knife guide. It features 2 measurement scales with 1/8 inch increments and a special 0 mark for precise measurements. Whether you're marking tiles, leveling cabinets, or aligning shelves, this tool helps achieve accurate results. It's useful for carpenters, finishers, and DIY projects, working well with drywall, wood, and wallpaper. The attachments move smoothly in the grooves and lock in place for precision. Made of strong aluminum alloy, it's sturdy and durable for various tasks. Number 8. Caulk Gun. This cordless 10-ounce sealant and glue gun is a powerful tool for installation work. It allows you to apply even thick sealants and adhesives smoothly and evenly, thanks to its high-pressure output. The variable trigger and 6-speed control lets you adjust the flow from 0 to 21 inches per minute, ensuring precise application. With advanced technology for consistent flow, it distributes material evenly, regardless of viscosity. Its durable metal gear delivers up to 950 pounds of force, making it one of the strongest options available. Number 7. Wheel Impaktor. This wheel changer socket set is a great tool for car owners, designed for use with half-inch electric or pneumatic impact wrenches. Made from durable materials and featuring a special design, these sockets handle heavy loads with ease. The smooth outer plastic rim helps prevent damage to the wheel, while the inner plastic liner protects the wheel bolts. The hexagonal shape ensures a secure fit, allowing for precise tightening without the risk of damage, even with high-power tools. Number 6. Debarker Pro. This log peeler is a practical tool that simplifies and speeds up the process of removing bark from logs. With 6 sharp blades, it efficiently strips away bark with precision, saving both time and effort. The 2 high-speed bearings enhance durability, strength, and safety, making the tool reliable for extended use. One of its standout features is versatility, as it is compatible with most chainsaws, effectively transforming them into a powerful bark removal tool. This makes it a valuable addition for woodworking and log preparation tasks. Number 5. Roughneck Gorilla. This bolster is designed for heavy-duty demolition tasks like breaking bricks, blocks, and other construction materials. Its 9-inch impact anvil allows for powerful strikes, making the job quicker and more efficient. The handle is offset from the striking surface, providing better control, comfort, and safety. A soft grip insert prevents slipping, ensuring a firm hold during use. The blade features 100mm markings, making it easier to cut precise corners when working with blocks. Additionally, the tool is powder coated with an anti-corrosion layer, ensuring durability even in the toughest construction conditions. Number 4. Split Beam Torquer Wrench. This precision torquer wrench is designed for tightening bolts with a specific force. It features a split beam design, allowing you to set the desired torque easily without effort or complex adjustments. Unlike traditional wrenches, it has no springs under load, making operation smoother. The articulated head provides flexibility, allowing access to hard-to-reach areas and enabling work at different angles. With a 1/2 inch drive size, this tool is both convenient and efficient for precise torque applications. Number 3. Fiskars QuikDrill. This manual garden drill makes digging holes for flowers, perennials, and fence posts easy and comfortable without straining your back. It can create holes up to 100mm in diameter and is also useful for aerating soil and compost. The 2 sharp blades and spiral head are designed to cut through soil smoothly, avoiding jams from roots or small rocks. Its long steel handle allows for upright work, reducing fatigue, while the fiberglass reinforced plastic grip ensures comfort during extended use. For larger holes, extensions can be added to increase its reach. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, this tool is perfect for gardening and landscaping tasks. Number 2. LED Work Light. This LED flashlight provides bright and long-lasting illumination for any workspace. Powered by a universal battery compatible with the brand's tool lineup, it delivers up to 140 lumens of light without overheating, even during extended use. With a runtime of 6 to 8 hours at maximum brightness, it ensures reliable performance. The adjustable head allows you to widen or focus the beam, while the tilt adjustment with fixation provides precise lighting control. Built for durability, the flashlight is resistant to mechanical damage and moisture, making it a sturdy and dependable lighting solution. Number 1. Removal tool. This brake disc lip removal kit helps quickly and easily remove the metal edge that forms on brake discs due to corrosion. This buildup can cause unpleasant braking noise, uneven pad wear, and even safety risks on the road. The kit includes a handle, scraper, and steel blade tool. The handle screws onto the wheel hub, while the scraper presses against the brake disc. As you rotate the handle, the blade removes rust and corrosion for a smoother surface. A key feature is the replaceable blade, which can be rotated, replaced, or stored inside the head for protection. This tool is essential for extending the life of brake discs, reducing noise, and ensuring safer driving. If you found these gadgets useful, let us know which one caught your eye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.